Hi everyone. So one of the goals for for you, for the semester is for you to be able to solve problems with AI. So this is one of the problems, is trying to make this mind map in Canvas. So one of the great tools that you can use with AI is Google's AI Studio. Now, there's a whole bunch of tools in this studio, but the one I'm going to show you today should help you solve the problem of how to do certain types of technology that you may not be familiar with. So I'm going to click on this aistudio.google.com. So this is the one for AI Studio, and I'm already signed in, but you're probably going to have to sign in with your Google account, all right? Now, the first thing I'm going to do is, before I start here, I'm going to make sure that I have Canvas open because I want to do this mind map thing. And I'm not really quite sure how to use Canvas. So, actually, I do know how to use Canvas, but I'm going to show you an example of maybe not knowing how to use Canvas. Um, so I'm going to go here to Stream. Do you see Stream right here on the left-hand side? Okay, then I'm going to go down here to Share Screen. I'm just going to click on Share Screen. All right. I'm going to choose the screen I'm in, which is the Google AI Studio. Share. Okay, now it's telling me that it's live. Are you there, Google?
Yes, I am here. How can I help you today?
Okay, so I'm going to click on my page that I want to use and sign in. I'm trying to create a mind map in Canvas so that I can plan out my paper. But I'm not really quite sure how to use Canvas really well, and so I need a little bit of help. So I'm just going to choose this one that says Concept Map here, and I want you to help me out with it. Are
Okay.
you still there? Okay.
Yes, I'm still here. I see you've chosen the concept map template. To start planning your paper, you can place your main topic in the central box. Then you can add key ideas or sections of your paper as branches connected to the center. How would you like to begin?
Okay, the first thing I want to do is I'm going to clean up all of this stuff. So I don't want this Canva tips for whiteboards and all these little things sticking out on the side. So how do I get rid of them?
You can easily remove those. Just click on the Canva tips for whiteboard section and then press the delete key on your keyboard. You can do the same for any other elements you want to remove.
What if I want to remove a whole bunch of them at the same time? I don't want to do them one at a time.
You can select multiple items by clicking and dragging your mouse cursor to draw a box around them. Once they are all selected, you can press the delete key on your keyboard to remove them all at once.
Okay, how do I change the title here?
You can change the title by double-clicking on the central map text box. This will allow you to edit the text and type in your own title for the paper.
Okay, and how do I make this bigger? Because I'm having trouble dealing with it. It's way too small.
You can zoom in by using the zoom controls, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. You should see a slider or a percentage display that you can adjust to make the view larger.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, so I just close off Google AI Studio so I don't have to, use it. But it will stay on as long as I want it. I mean, I could just have it running in the background, and it will, anytime I have a question, it'll help me out. So I hope this has helped you understand how to solve some problems that may come up while you're working on stuff in my class. Take care.